The project itself covers the whole of Scotland, and it's in place to deploy fibre broadband across Scotland to address market failure. So that's where in Scotland our commercial providers didn't find it viable, and so Digital Scotland Superfast Broadband stepped in as a public-private sector investment to address this challenge. We've connected 940,000 premises, a coverage of 845 kilometres. The build in our latter stages is 87 to 100% rural build, and we used a mix of technologies. So we did a lot of fibre to the cabinet, and then a small distance from the cabinet to the home was the traditional copper. The copper infrastructure belongs to the original telecom provider, but what we do is to make sure that once our cabinet's commissioned, the allowing of a fibre service over copper is open to everybody. And so the competitive market is in place with all ISPs to provide a service from our infrastructure. And then for the last 12 months, we have only been rolling out fibre to the premise. The cabinet will offer speeds from 30 to typically 80 megabits per second. Obviously, our fibre to the prem is 300 megabits, but of course, we know that technology facilitates far greater speeds. For Scotland, it has been massively important now in terms of daily lives, competitiveness and growth of our business community, changing the dynamics of rural communities and laying the platform for long-term e-health and social service benefit. So yes, it may all be about infrastructure, but the achievement is so much more.